Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to Learning by. Today we are going to start exercise 7b of chapter number 7. Today we are going to solve question number 1 of exercise 7b. In this question we are given a table consisted of 5 columns and 5 rows. And out of last 4 rows, each row contains a question. Second row contains question number 1, in which we are given cost price, sale price, and we will have to find profit and profit percentage. So let's see how to solve this question and how to find profit and profit percentage. So in the previous table we are given cost price, which is equal to 520 rupees, and then sale price, which is equal to 650 rupees, and we will have to find profit and profit percentage. So we will use this formula to find out the profit. So profit is equal to sale price minus cost price. Sale price is 650 rupees and we have cost price 520 rupees. So now we will subtract 520 out of 650. Let's see how to subtract 520 out of 650. At first we will write 650, then minus 520. 0 out of 0 equals to 0. 2 out of 5. Then 5 minus 2 equals 3. 6 minus 5, 1. Now we have 130 rupees. Next, now we will have to find profit percentage, and for finding the profit percentage we will use this formula. Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. So profit is equal to 130 and cost price is equal to 520 rupees multiplied by 100. Now we multiply 130 with 100, and then we have 13,000. This 0 will be cancelled with this one, and now we will divide 1300 by 52, like this. 2 times 52 equals 104. We will subtract 104 out of 130. So we will carry 1 over here. 10 minus 4 equals 6, and 2 minus 0 equals 2. Okay. Now 52, 5 times 52 equals 260. So we have profit profit percentage 25%. Next we are going to solve second part of this question. In this part we are given cost price and profit percentage. Cost price is equal to 48 rupees and profit percentage is equal to 15%, and we will have to find sale price and profit. Let's see how to find these two values. We have a cost price which is equal to 48 rupees and profit percentage is equal to 15%. We don't know sale price and profit, which we will have to find. So to find out the profit percentage, we will use this formula. Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. Profit percentage is equal to 15% and we don't know the profit, and cost price is 48 rupees multiplied by 100. Now we will shift 48 from right hand side to left hand side, and when 48 will be shifted from right hand side to left hand side, it will multiply with 15. Now 100 is multiplying over here at left hand side, but when we will shift it on left hand side, then it will be divided. So when we multiply 48 with 15, then we have the answer 720. Let's see how we multiplied 15 with 48. Five times 8 equals 40. 1 times 8 equals 8 plus 4, 12, 120. 5 times 4 equals 20. 1 times 4 equals 4, 5, 6. Now we will add these both values, 0, 2 and 7. So now we have 720 multiplied by 100. Now let's see how to divide 720 by 100. So 7 times 100 equals 700. 2 minus 0 equals 2. 20 is smaller than 100, so we will put the point over here and then put 0 over here and take this 0 over here. So 2 times 100 equals 200. So now we have found the value of profit, which is about 7.2 rupees. Now to find the value of sale price, we will use this formula, which is profit is equal to sale price minus cost price. So we have the value of profit 7.20, we don't know sale price, and the value of cost price is 48 rupees. When we shift 48 from right hand side to left hand side, it will be added with 7.20. So let's see how to add these both values. So after adding these both values, now we have sale price 55.20 rupees. Now let's solve the third part of this question. In this part, we are given sale price, which is about 242 rupees, and profit percentage, which is about 10%, and we will have to find cost price and profit. Now let's see how to find these both values. We have sale price 242 rupees, profit percentage 10%, cost price, we don't know cost price, and profit. So let's first find the cost price. To find the cost price, we will use this formula. Sale price is equal to 1 plus profit percentage divided by 100 multiplied by cost price. We have sale price about 242 rupees and profit percentage 10 divided by 100 multiplied by cost price. Now we will solve this part first and take the LCM, which is 100, and when we multiply 100 suppose that we have 1 over here in denominator, and after dividing 100 with this one, we have the answer 100, and now this 100 will be multiplied by with numerator, which is 1. So 1 times 100 equals 100, and after dividing this 100 over this 100, times 100 equals 100. So then we have the answer 1, and after that we will multiply 10 with this 1, and then we have answer 12. 10. 1 times 10 equals 10. Now we will add these both values. 10 plus 110 100 plus 10 equals 110 divided by 100. Okay, now we will shift 100 from right hand side to left hand side, and after this 110 will also be shifted from right hand side to left hand side. Now we will divide 24,200 by 110, and after this division we have the value of cost price about 220 rupees. Now to find the value of profit, we will use this formula: profit is equal to sale price minus cost price. Sale price is 242 rupees and cost price is 220 rupees. We will subtract 220 out of 242. So after this subtraction we have value 22 rupees. Now let's solve the last part of this question. In this part we are given sale price, which is about 256 rupees, profit which is about 56 rupees, and we will have to find profit percentage and cost price. So let's solve this part of the question. Sale price is equal to 256 rupees, profit is equal to 56 rupees, and we don't know cost price and profit percentage. So to find out the cost price, we will use this formula: profit is equal to sale price minus cost price. Profit is about 56 rupees and sale price is about 256 rupees minus cost price. And now we will shift 256 from right hand side to left hand side, and after shifting it, it will be subtracted from 56. We will shift cost price from right hand side to left hand side. Now we will shift 56 from left hand side to right hand side, and after shifting this from left hand side to right hand side, it will be subtracted from 256. And after subtracting 56 out of 256, now we have the value of cost price is about 200 rupees. Next we will have to find the profit percentage. Let's see how to find it. To find the profit percentage, we will use this formula: profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. So the value of profit is 56 rupees and the value of cost price is 200 rupees multiplied by 100. After multiplying 56 with 100, we have 600 rupees, and now it will be divided by 200. So after dividing 5,600 by 200, we have the value 28%, which is the value of profit percentage. So students, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.